everyone, welcome to the Jackson's Home RenoVision channel. If it's your first time watching or if you're returning, welcome to our channel. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Jump down, hit the notification bell, hit the subscription button so you won't miss any of our future videos. So guys, in our previous video we had a giveaway for 2 lucky viewers. So I want to congratulate Michael Fox and Michael Ellis Jenner. Guys, you did well. So in this video guys, we have another giveaway but only for 1 lucky viewer. So guys, in this video you have to watch the entire video. We have 2 hidden tools inside the video, so you have to watch the video, find the 2 hidden tools, screenshot, email that to us, which the email is provided in the description section down below. So guys, we are actually at the final video of the gate. So this is part 2 of the 2-part series of the gate. So guys, let's jump right into that video.
So guys, this is what we'll be using today. Our focus is on this long piece of metal. We will be using this metal to get the wood structure for the gate and the railing on the wall. So now we are all cut and ready to install. So here we are doing our measurement. I got some help. This is my friend from the previous video, Barry aka Owly, helping me to do this section. So we're fitting them in before we get them sprayed and stuff. They have been fitted in, measurement is correct. Now it's time to put some colors on these metal in order to give us that wood effect that we need to complete our gate. So here I am in my work area. This is my little work table. So bringing down my compressor, the main machinery, and also I will be bringing down some color and the rest of material that I'll be needing. So we'll be using this red in order to put in the wood stain. This is some thinner from a previous job. This is our hardener. We will be using this gold in the patterns, on the patterns of the gate. Here is some more hardener, and here we have some black from a previous job that we'll be using. We also need our sandpaper, our 320 grade to rub down. We use this super clear from Edgechem to get that shine glossy look. We have our filler knife. We have some more leftover color, and of course our spray gun. These are our metals that are now ready for priming. I'm just laying them out in the best array to get started. While laying out the metals, I noticed that I have some extra holes other than those that have been drilled out by me. These are the holes that are needed to be covered up, so I'll be mixing some filler in also to cover these up, and also some extra screw heads from probably a previous job that was used with these metals, so I'm going to be sanding them off. Yes guys, that's Italia in the background, she never leaves me. So here we are now mixing up some filler in order to fill out these holes for it to look as natural as possible. We don't want these holes showing from the inside or on the outside. So guys, now I'm applying this filler to this metal as neatly as possible in order for us not to see those holes anymore. This filler is a little bit hardened in order for it not to fall through the metal. So now it's time to mix our primer. I am now applying this primer to some leftover color that I had from a previous job. I have chosen this metal primer because I've gotten good results in the past. This metal primer is from Edgechem, and no guys, I have not been paid or being sponsored to advertise these products. I use them because I get good results whenever time I use them. So now guys that the mixing is out of the way, let's get our ball rolling. Testing my spray gun ready to prime. Now I'm giving this an even coat, applying it as evenly as possible. We have to bear in mind that priming is extremely important, knowing that it's the bonding agent for the color to hold onto the metal without stripping. So now that the priming is completed, this is what the finished product looks like after priming. So we are now heading to mixing our color. This is our wood stain, and that is the red that we'll be mixing with our wood stain to give it that color, that wood look, that wood finish. So it's time now to place that beautiful color on this piece of metal. So this is what it looks like, guys. So you have to apply this color evenly right across the board or right across the metal. So after applying this color, it has a flat look, it has no sheen, the color is flat. So this is now where our clear coat comes in. This is me now applying the clear coat. The clear coat now gives it the sheen, and also the clear coat protects the color. What it does, it protects the color from the weather, and it gives it that sheen that we will be looking for in bringing out that wood effect. So we have now completed the metals for the gate. Now we are doing the section for the railing. We're now about to drill the holes for the carriage bolt to mount it on the railing. So now that we have drilled out these holes nicely for our carriage bolts, we're now setting up for spraying. So here we are now applying some color on these metals. This is the back section of the metal. This section we have sprayed a little bit darker than the section at the front. The section at the front has a more reddish look. Now we're about to apply our clear. We have to apply the clear on both sides in order to give it that sheen and also that protection. And this is what the finished product looks like. As was mentioned, the front section is a bit brighter, has a bit more red in it than the back section. The back section is a bit more darker. Guys, you can comment, leave a comment to tell me what you think about this wood effect look on metal. So now we are ready for installation. Here I am now taking out some nuts off some carriage bolts, ready to install these metals. With this we'll be able to block out these animals that have been climbing over this wall and give it a more uplifting look. So guys, this is now day 2 on installation of the railing on the wall. This is Italia with us as usual. She's always there in the midst. Here she is now helping me. What's that? A screw. She has found a screw. Thank you, Italia. So now it's time to head on over to the gate. Here we are now getting these sections drilled in order to put in our wood effect metals. It's quite easy to install. Now here we are adding some more carriage bolts to the front section of this gate in order to hold it firmly to the frame.